it's Tim from Another Man's Customs. Here we are in Marco Island, Florida, getting in a little vacation time, but you know, I promised a video every couple weeks, a couple times a month, so I'm going to do a video from Marco Island. I got to find a place that will allow me to do some taping. I found a restoration shop down the road in Marco Island, so let's check that one. We've got a 65 Mustang here, a Jaguar, Volkswagen convertible. Look at that T-Bird down there. And then we got I guess that's a Model A. Look at that Corvette. So here's Island Automotive. Quite a spectacular place. He told me they work on everything from, it was like a 1903 Cadillac with kerosene lamps to a modern day Cadillac, Mercedes, anything that you can imagine. So hey, when you guys are down in Marco Island with your classic, come on over and see everybody at Island Automotive. It's kind of nice. You see all the four-wheelers they got here. I mean, there's anything and everything here, so stop by and maybe they can help you out if you need some maintenance work on your classic, if you're down here permanently or for the winter. Look, we got a little red Express Dodge truck here. We got an El Camino back there. So Other Man's Classics, just reporting that I'm not forgetting about you even though I'm on vacation. Have a great one. Well, so much for 86 and sunny in Florida. I am back home now. Well, I'm back. Like I said, back in Wisconsin. It was really nice down there in Marco Island. Just get away a little bit for a couple of weeks and get my mind wrapped around what I want to do with this beautiful gremlin here. So I got some big plans for it. Hopefully within a week I'm going to go and pick up a motor for it that I found online. And it's a 290 V8. This car is going to be an automatic. And I don't know if I explained when I first started my videos, I originally got this car to create what they call an AMX GT. American Motors made, I was told, 6 or 7 of them. Most of them got crushed. They never were in production. I think there's one left somewhere in Michigan. But there is a couple other people trying to do their version of it too. So basically what it means is, I'm gonna turn my camera around. Basically what it means is I'm gonna take the gremlin and I'm going to cut it somewhere in here and probably right through here at the roof. And from the roof and door jamb forward, we're going to put on an AMX. And I know I talked to a couple people about doing a clip. Not fond of them, but it's the only way I can make AMX GT out of this gremlin. And I am going to use the floor I already put in and the rockers that you saw in the early videos because they're nice and solid. They're not going anywhere. So basically I'm going to probably splice it in through the bottom here, through the bottom down here, and right here. I hope to use this jam, but I don't know if the contour is going to fit an AMX. So it's going to save me some time too, because you can see the rust on the frame rails down there. I'll go over here. Here's the engine compartment. Not the greatest. I mean, it's solid. There's a couple rust spots, but I need the whole firewall so the AMX dash will fit in on the back side of it. And I need the window opening, so that's why I'm going to section it through the back of the roof somewhere and somewhere in front of the back seat. So the decision is, I have a line on another AMX donor car, and I'm working with that guy to see what I can get that for. Worst case scenario, it stays a gremlin, but I'm going to be doing some other videos that will be informative. I got a new welder to set up, so we're going to do that. And we'll be looking at the motor And then I got to convert this rotisserie back into an engine stand. I got to make a platform to set the car on when I do the clip. So a lot of things going on. I know this is a lot of talk at once, but just want to let you know I got back. I'm going to hit this hard and heavy and see how far we can get with this car in the next few months. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I thank those that have already viewed some of these videos. We've got quite a few of them, so we'll keep going and try to keep you informed. Thanks again. So with that, hey, let's cue that music.